Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. Hope you're all having a wonderful Saturday morning, evening, wherever you are around the world. You guys know what time it is. It is time for none other than Pepe update. We're going to be analyzing the charts, see what is happening, and what is really next for the price of Pepe. So continue liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I will continue bringing these updates for you guys. So definitely we are seeing some sort of green in the price of Pepe, which we will definitely take. Looking at the price, still 5 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 151, up 2.7% over the last 24 hours in USD comparative, Bitcoin comparative, and Ethereum comparative. So right away you can see Pepe is in green, and it is outperforming Bitcoin along with majority of the altcoins right now over the past 24 hours, because Bitcoin still a lot of volatility within its price, but we'll definitely take that. But remember guys, as I've said to you guys on my updates for Pepe, weekends tend to have some sort of bullish effect on Pepe along with meme coins. I don't know what it is, but meme coins tend to do quite well on the weekends. But when it comes to the real market, the market can have a lot of manipulation. You guys know that CME futures are closed, so manipulation can really occur. So meme coin literally is the opposite, so it's very interesting. But anyways, if we're looking at the market cap, $636.6 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently approaching the $100 million, so not bad in terms of that. But now of course let's analyze the charts. But before we do that, I wanted to share this with you guys. I haven't really shared this with you guys for about like 2 weeks now, the Google Trends, and you can see the Google Trends over the past 7 days. This is how it looks like, and we're finally starting to see a little bit of a pickup towards the upside in terms of search happening regarding Pepe, and of course that correlates with the holder count as well. If you're looking at the holder count guys, it's continuing to increase. Yes, we're not seeing those explosive Pepe moves that we saw in the month of April. And what really shocks me is the fact that there's so many people, and I'm not saying it for the Pepe holders, the people that actually believe in the project, but there's all these like trolls that are coming and commenting on the video saying Pepe is dead, it's not pumping. Do you guys not realize that this coin launched out of thin air just a month ago? It's been in the market for a month. Come on guys, give it a break, okay? Give it a break. That is literally mind-boggling to me when people come and say, oh yeah, it's not moving. Like, did you forget that it went from literally 100,000 market cap to $2 billion, and it's retracing and holding quite well at 600 million? People don't get that, but of course the people that actually believe in Pepe, that have patience, that think that this is the next Shiba Inu, are of course holding, and that shows in the holder count, which is huge. But now of course we're going to shift our focus towards the price. But before we do that, we're going to be looking at this, the overall Pepe's the following count. And you can see this for yourself, 290,000 followers. Yes, we have seen a little bit of a decrease in the followers, but remember, a lot of fake accounts on Twitter. So Twitter tends to filter out those fake accounts, and that can update the overall holder count. I'm sorry, the follower count. So that is something that we do need to consider when we're looking at it. But yeah, like the engagement guys, it's insane. So good on that end as well. But now of course we're here for the price, see what is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So before we get into the good old charts, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So before we get into the charts, look at the market cap. I'm really liking what I'm seeing. $631.8 million market cap. Beautiful. We're still holding above that $600 million mark, and that is really nice to see. But now if we're looking at the charts, you guys can see the good old charts. We're finding ourselves literally at the same exact place since the past 24 hours. We finally broke out of this range that we were trading within, and we're literally sitting at this resistance. So could we potentially see a breakout happening? Who knows? Who honestly knows? But let me draw this for you guys so you guys get a better picture. I think if I draw it, we can literally start to understand better. And you cannot make this up where Pepe is currently sitting. Literally look at this. we're literally sitting at some massive levels of supports for Pepe when we were, of course, on the downwards trend, and we bounced off of this range after, retracing as well. Almost hit an all-time high again, but you guys can see that this support line, after we broke past it, it's going to, be playing as a level of resistance. But we have seen such an important level of resistance break out quite easily. We went above it like 2-3 times. So that is a good sign. And, the volume is not even anywhere near as high as it was around that range. So that really shows things are looking good. And if I show you on the hourly time frame, we're seeing this upwards channel forming for the price of Pepe. You can see this for yourself. It's a clear upwards channel. So could we potentially see this breakout? Of course, we could see a breakout if we, actually stay above this level of resistance. I really do believe there could be some sort of big move coming for Pepe in the immediate short term. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, the next target I'm looking at around is this, level of resistance around this 1606 cents mark. That would be the next level of resistance. If we crack past this level of resistance, guys, we're expecting a move similar to what we have seen on May 20th. And we've seen Pepe go up about 27%. Oh, sorry, this was not the all-time high. I'm sorry. I said, we're almost broke at an all-time high. No, that's not the case. We're breaking all-time high after this level of resistance, which is at that 207 cents mark. But of course, we were headed to the resistance. If we were able to flip that resistance, as I've said to you guys before, that's where, all-time high talks begin. We start talking about all-time highs when the price of Pepe is above this blue line at 2060 cents mark. So that is what I was referring to. So I had a mix up around here. Anyways, what we're seeing happen right now is, if the price were to close above here and break out of this level of resistance, I could potentially see Pepe making a move towards the upside. So that is the current take on Pepe's price right now. And I really do believe it's a possibility right now. We have been pretty much consolidating for quite some time now. And last time we were above this level of resistance was back on May 24th, which was a few days ago. So we really want to see the price actually hold above there. And if we're looking at Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is forming a little bit of a green candle towards the upside. But of course, we would mainly want to see Bitcoin in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. And most importantly, above this level of resistance. If Bitcoin is able to, retest this level of resistance and I should break above there, which is a move of about 8.2%, be prepared for some nice moves happening with Pepe. I really think Pepe, along with the entire crypto space, is going to have an impact. And who knows if we can potentially even break out of this level of resistance, which is right here, which is only a move of about 36%. People are accumulating. It's literally right in front of our eyes. People are accumulating. The interest level is there. Community is massive, giving us signs of the early beginning of Shiba Inu. But of course, only time is going to tell. But I am really optimistic that this does have what it takes to become that level of Shiba Inu. We've seen the similarities. We've seen the similar exchanges come and show this amount of interest. We've never seen that happen before, unless it was, of course, Shiba Inu itself. So I'm really liking what I'm seeing, guys. This is my personal analysis. If we were to stay above this level of resistance, do expect a little bit of an uptick happening within the price of Pepe. Of course, I will keep you guys updated if anything were to happen. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Pepe going. I love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.